Get ready with me to check the blizzard going on right now in North Dakota. Apparently we are setting monumental records with this blizzards. Visibility is 400 feet. All roads and highways are shut down. Schools are closed till tomorrow or further notice. People are using their snowmobiles around town and said it's even too much for them. North Dakotans are used to this weather and even they are shocked. North Dakotans don't ever close business, especially not their bars, and they did. I'm nervous. Those who are enjoying the sun, I'm jealous. LMAO to the people who told me to go to the farmer's market.